warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon or whatever your conditioner. Before discussing the material, let me introduce myself. My name is Nabila Dwi Nuraj. I'm from University of Muhammadiyah Professor Dr. Hamka Jakarta. In this video, I will discuss in simple terms about secretion system. For those of you who like to eat, the secretory system very important for processing food and also very important for our life. Okay, do you know what is secretory system? Yes, secretory system is the process of secretion of residual metabolism. The secretory system consists of organs which remove metabolic waste and toxins from the body. In humans, this includes the removal of urea from the bloodstream and other waste produced by the body. The removal of urea happens in the kidneys, while solid wastes are expelled from the large intestine. Secretion organs in humans and animals include: first, the kidney secrete urine, the skin sweat, the lungs secrete carbon dioxide, and the liver secretes bile-colored substance. Part of kidney. Cortex is the part of the kidney that contains the Malpighi bodies or Bowman's capsule and glomerulus, the proximal convolutubule and the distal convolutubule. Nephron is a filtering site that contains more than 1 million nephrons. Medulla consists of 9 to 14 sections which are pyramidal in shape and contain the Henle arch and collecting tubules. Pelvic is temporary storage place for urine before it flows into the bladder through the ureter and secreted through urethra. Glomerulus is a bulk filter that will filter water, salt, amino acid, glucose, urea, and produce primary urine. Bowman's capsule is a kind of capsule that encloses the glomerulus. Proximal convolutubule is the primary urine reabsorption site which absorbs glucose, salt, water, amino acid, and produces secondary urine. Loop of Henle is a link between the proximal convolutubule and the distal convolutubule. Distal convolutubule is the site for releasing wasteful substance in secondary urine to produce real urine. Collectivus tubule is a long narrow tube in the kidney that holds urine from the nephron to pass through the pelvic to the bladder. Kidney function: filtering blood, maintaining a balance of acid and base level, excrete substances that are harmful to the body, reprocessing substances, controlling sugar level in the blood, keeping blood, maintaining osmosis pressure. Disorders and abnormalities in the kidneys: uremia, albuminuria, diabetes, nephritis, kidney stones, renal failure, hematuria. Skin. Skin is one of the tools of secretion because the skin sweats. Sweat comes out through the pores of the skin. Sweats contain water and mineral salt. The skin also has sebaceous glands that can secrete waxy lipids. Skin disorders. Acne is disorder of the oil glands commonly experienced by adolescents. KBS is a skin disease caused by mites. Pruritus cutanea is a skin disease with symptoms of itching caused by irritation of peripheral sensory nerves. Lungs or gills. The lungs are one of the most important organs in animals, especially humans. A major product that must be secreted from all animals and humans is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is created in the cell as they undergo aerobic respiration. This waste product is removed from the cell and transferred to the bloodstream when the blood reacts the gas or lungs. It is exchanged for oxygen and released into the atmosphere. Fish also use their gills to expel a number of other waste products. Disorder of the lungs, asthma or shortness of breath, because by an allergy to foreign objects entering the nose. Lung cancer, it is caused by the habit of smoking or inhaling too much asbestos dust, chromium, petroleum products, and ionizing radiation that affect the exchange of water in the lungs. Emphysema is an alveolar swelling disease that causes the respiratory tract to narrow. Liver. The liver is the main detoxifying organ of the body, especially for nitrogenous waste. The cells of the liver play host the biochemical process that creates ammonia from amino acids. Since ammonia is extremely toxic, it is quickly converted to urea before being transported in the blood towards the kidney. Most animals make the choice between ammonia, urea, and uric acid as the preferred mode for nitrogenous waste secretion, based on the availability of water. While ammonia is toxic, it can be quickly diluted and removed from the body with ample water, and therefore remains the chemical used by aquatic animals. Terrestrial animals with regular access to water tend to use urea, which has lower toxicity. Birds and other animals that have minimal water intake expend energy to convert urea into uric acid, which needs a minimum amount of water to store safely until excretion. Liver function. Storage glycogen or muscle sugar, which is the result of alteration of glucose due to the hormone insulin, neutralizes toxin from prothrombin for blood clotting, place of conversion of provitamin A into vitamin A, the place of formation of urea and ammonia derived from the breakdown of damaged proteins that are subsequently removed from the body through urine. The place of formation of red blood cell in the fetus. As an secretion organ tasked with overhauling erythrocytes, red blood cell. Disorder of the liver. Wilson disease, hepatitis, cirrhosis. Large intestine. The liver is also necessary for the removal of the decomposed hemoglobin, some rounds, excess vitamins, sterols, and other lipophilic substances. These are secreted along with bile and finally removed from the body through feces. The large intestine therefore play a role in secretion, especially for hydrophobic particles. Disorder of the large intestine. Crohn's disease is an inflammatory bowel disease that can occur anywhere along the gastrointestinal tract. Diverticular disease. This condition is characterized by the formation of one or more pockets or pouches in the wall of the intestine. Irritable bowel syndrome or IBS. Individuals affected by IBS have a sensitive intestine. The muscle of the intestine contracts in an abnormal manner, thereby resulting in cramping of the large intestine. Ulcerative colitis is a chronic inflammatory bowel disease that is characterized by the formation of ulcers and inflammation of the colon. It usually affects the sigmoid colon. The exact cause of this condition is not known. Thank you for watching. For less and for more, I apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.